Hello, this is Terry Lebo, Incident Meteorologist from the National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'll be providing a quick overview of the past winter weather that we had, and then a look ahead to what spring might have in store for us. Usually, a La Nina winter, which is water temperatures in the Pacific near the equator running cooler than normal, equates to warm and dry for the southeast. This is what we were expecting for the winter, and until February, that was pretty much on track. Temperatures were running about half a degree above normal, and rainfall was about 1 inch below normal. However, it didn't really feel that way, and there were two reasons for this. Most of the reason temperatures were above normal was because overnight lows were running above normal. High temperatures many days were at or below normal. Another reason was the rainfall. It seemed like it rained every day, but the systems affecting the southeast were weak and fast moving. So while there were plenty of rainfall events, most did not bring significant rainfall, just enough to interfere with any outdoor operations. Of course, then February arrived. Several significant rainfall events during the month resulted in many areas with monthly rainfall totals double to triple above what is normal for the month of February. This led to an abundance of river flooding and a lot of soggy fuels. Here we see rainfall departure from normal from January 1st, 2021 through February 23rd, 2021. Much of the area is 4 to 8 inches above normal, and since December 1st, 2020, rainfall is anywhere from 5 to 10 inches above normal. And if we look at the past year, so that's 365 days, actually 66 because we had a leap day, ending in February 23rd, 2021, most areas are anywhere from 15 to 20 inches or more above normal. Now we have the same graphic, the year-to-date rainfall, but taken for a different time range. This graphic shows January 1st, 2021 through February 10th, 2021. So that's a difference of 2 weeks from the graphic you just saw. And you can see most of District 8 had near normal rainfall. But you go forward 2 weeks and suddenly most of District 8 is anywhere from 4 to 8 inches above normal. And it's also worth noting the 5-year rainfall total. The Wilmington Airport is around 70 inches above normal over the 5-year period, and many areas are reporting similar numbers. Average rainfall for a year is anywhere between 57 and 58 inches, so in 5 years we've actually had more than 6 years of total rainfall. So if it seems like it's been really wet the last few years, that's because it has. As would be expected with all this rainfall, we do not really have to worry about any drought conditions developing across District 8. Even with the spring green up, the water we already have and the continuation of the pattern of frequent, fast-moving but weak systems will likely prevent significant drying into at least April. La Nina is expected to continue through April or even May before neutral conditions, which means that the water temperatures in the Pacific Ocean will be closer to average, start to develop for the early summer. Some of the guidance is showing a return to La Nina conditions for late summer into fall, and if this happens, not only would we see an increase in tropical activity across the southeast, but we would also be likely to see a wetter end of the summer. However, the guidance is not very clear on this and confidence is relatively low. And here we can see the seasonal drought outlook for the southeast. With all the recent rains that we've gotten in February, it really is unlikely that we're going to get any type of drought between now and the end of May. It's worth noting that the Predictive Services wildfire outlooks were taken from February 1st, and this was before the southeast had the several rounds of significant rainfall. I would expect that the area below normal wildfire potential that we see here in March to be expanded, potentially to the coast. And then if we go out to April, I would expect that you may see the below normal wildfire potential linger across the southeast for much of April. Again, given the significant amount of rainfall, and again, that was most places got anywhere from 2 to 3 times their normal amount. So in summary, spring should trend towards slightly warmer and a little drier than normal. Although rainfall events may end up being more frequent, we'll just get less total rainfall from each event. Much will depend on how quickly La Nina transitions to neutral conditions and the impact the spring green-up has on moisture that's already in place. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know. Feel free to post questions on both Facebook and Twitter pages, or you can go to our homepage at weather.gov/ILM and click on the Contact Us link at the bottom of the page.